Hello everyone, Hatmani for Projection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we want to show you one issue I discovered in Samsung S9 Plus. You guys, I'm a fan with Samsung actually, because I tried iPhone, I tried Huawei, I tried a lot of things. I didn't like in one, especially Sony. It's the most trash phone that I ever tried in my life, okay? And you know my channel that I know I never got any 1 cent from anyone, and I not got even money from YouTube, and I don't give a fuck about money because I'm not waiting for someone to give me anything. I believe in my fate and destiny, okay? My point here, you know that I'm a fan with Samsung, okay? And every new model appear, I run to market, buy it, Note 8, S8 Plus, something like this. But there is one issue in this S9 Plus. I want you guys to be careful about it, and you should prepare for it. Here's the issue. You know, guys, this phone didn't complete with me 1 week now. Okay, I drove him from 1 meter distance. Only 1 meter. I didn't say that I drove him not from my ear distance. No, from my waist distance. 1 meter exactly, like this. Like this distance. He fell on the ground, and it wasn't beton. It was normal ground. I was beside supermarket. Guys, he completely fucked up. I will tell you something. My S8 Plus. I drove him many times. Actually, didn't broke. I drove him from the same distance, S8 Plus, but he didn't broke. I don't know. Maybe I'm sure that S8 Plus is more tough material. I'm complaining about Samsung. I mean, what is this shame that they done? You got me. I mean, the screen are strong. Okay, I can't say anything about the screen, but the back of S9 Plus honestly are so weak. iPhone X honestly is more stronger in back than S9 Plus, because I saw test crash for iPhone X, and I saw there's a friend of my wife. She have iPhone X, and she dropped it in the ground maybe from 1.5 meters in front of me. Nothing happened. Nothing completely happened at all. I didn't believe this. I said, oh, now her iPhone broke. But no, honestly, guys, to be honest with you, iPhone X in the back side is more tough than S9 Plus is the most weakest back that I ever saw. I mean, Samsung, you create glass one. Why didn't you make it tougher than this? Especially that phone are fucking heavy. So if you make glass more tough and more heavy, little bit, it doesn't matter. Already phone are heavy. Guys, you know what happened? Here, see, it's already, it's scratching now my finger. The problem that the chassis here broke, and I can't understand. He fall down like this, okay? He fall down like this. Okay, he fall down like this. Okay. He fell down on the side. Why the side also broke? Here also see. I want to show you. Let me make for you focus that. I will show you exactly what happened. Okay. Wait. Let me bring it. This one here. I will show you. Okay. See. This is already all glass out. You got me. Here. Can't you see? All glass out. Let's sew on this side. Even he is too much sneeze that he can't want motherfucker hold. Guys, see? He's totally fucked up. See? The problem that I went to Samsung store, okay? I said for them, what is this weak back? I can't understand. They say me in Samsung store in Kiev here. They say for me, yeah, the week for S9 Plus, a lot of people got broken. I said for them, I want to change the back. They say for me $100. And he say for me, but listen, he will not gonna be water resistant anymore. I said why? He say because the broke reached the chassis here, so water will pass through here. So if you want it to be water resistant again, we change the back and chassis. And chassis here, this frame here, it's with the screen together. So it's gonna cost me $350. The back $100 if you want to change back. But if you want it to be water resistant, so you have to change this frame, this chassis, and this frame with screen together. So see how much it's gonna cost me, almost for price for a new phone. What's this fucking shame? I can't understand. Fuck you, Samsung, for creating such a weak phone like this. It cost me $900. Guys, this is 265 giga RAM. You got me. This is not normal phone. This is American version, and he cost me and this is 265 giga. Got me. I bought it like this that I will never suffer about size anymore. So now what I'm gonna do? $900 except $100 shipping. It's cost me $1,000. and now I have to throw it in garbage, or what I'm gonna do? I mean, honestly, I didn't expect, all people are beside supermarket, they say, oh, I mean, we hear the crack, like this. I say, fuck, no, 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 no. Don't tell me that he broke from this normal drop, 1 meter drop like this, he broke. I said, don't tell me. I'm not believing when I pick him from ground, motherfucker. What is this fucking habit now? Honestly, if I know like this, maybe I'm gonna try iPhone. But I hate iPhone. It's so silly, boring phone. That's why I jumped to Samsung. But honestly, this is shame from Samsung that they create back like this. And now, what I'm gonna do, if I will sell him, he will not gonna bring any price. I mean, this is number one. Number two, I can't exchange. I mean, I want this 265 giga, See, frame fucked up, glass, he's completely, see, he's out even in my hand. Guys, my advice to you, you know what? My advice to you, before you buy this phone, buy for him cover. Before you even buy it, before you pick a phone, this is my advice to you. You're gonna drop it. Listen, no one take care of his stuff like me, I take care of my laptop, of my wallet even, of my phone, my mouse, my stuff, my clothes. I take care of my... I am so take care of my stuff, okay? I'm so careful, man. And see, I drop it in within 1 week. I mean, this is this. No one know when he will drop it and why he will drop it and like this, etc. So I'm telling you, my advice to you, okay? Buy cover before phone. Don't risk your money and risk yourself, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching and see you again in another video. I just want to share for you, this is so important point. He's so weak phone, and take care of your phones. If you have the same, S8 Plus is more strong. So see you again in another videos, and peace and love for everyone, and wish you good, wish you happiness, wish you unbroken phones like me, and don't forget to put thumbs down for the bad luck. Okay, see you later, alligators.